Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about stock market weekly update. And we will figure out, are USA stock markets toppy? What's going on with the stock market world? Let's move to Webull. Please subscribe for YouTube channel, click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Let's move to Webull and see Webull. If you want to learn more about Webull setup, just go to the description. There is the link about Webull setup training and other links about all my trainings. And let me briefly mention about my setup and my simple trading style. It's very simple. I'm using moving averages. White line is SMA MA 200, yellow line is MA 20, red line MA 10, and green line MA 5. And let me add for monthly and weekly, I also like to add more. I like to add 50 and 100 for large time frame. I don't trade on a weekly time frame. I just monitor. It's good for investors. You can trade it on a weekly time frame. It's good for investors, like I said. And but I do monitor it. I do monitor it because it shows me the market trend direction. Like you see 100, I just added 100. It was as a support, right? On weekly time frame for USA dollar, it was support. Okay, I just told you about 100. It's MA 100 purple line and MA 50 blue line. MACD indicator also green line and red line signal line. RSI indicators lines and awesome oscillator, green bars bullish, red bars bearish. Very simple. Not easy because emotions involved. But if you follow the indicators, you will be successful because indicators do not have emotions. And let me show you how it works. Very simple, right? Let's see on the daily time frame. USA dollar, right? You see one bar, this green bar, green bar and green line. MA5 green line did bullish crossover over 20 over yellow line, right? It was green line, green bar. It's a bullish crossover. It is bullish reversal trend, right? It's entry position I'm using daily time frame for entry position for my swing trading. And what I do put stop in the previous bar, one bar below, stop. It will be, or same bar, one bar below, I will lose only one bar. Sometimes I use 1% stop. Always put stops. If you put stops, you always will be forever in this game. Look, because if you can lose one bar only, but you will gain multiple bars. Look at it in this case. MA5 did bullish crossover over 20, right? You put stop and market moved up. Because when bars above MA5, 10 and 20, it is bullish trend. When bars below MA5 and 10 and 20, it is bearish trend. Very simple, you see. When bars below MA5, 10 and 20, it is bearish trend. Above, it is bullish. That's how simple it is. And you see now what we have daily time frame for USA dollar. You see MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and 20. It is powerful bullish crossover trend. It's a bullish trend on all indicators. All indicators, even last bar was red bearish. Bullish trend on daily. And let's check weekly for USA dollar for DXY. On weekly, MA5 did bullish crossover over 20, right? It is not good. Maybe it will bounce next week and it will bring MA green back. Will keep MA5 above MA20 because MACD is still green, still bullish. RSI already bearish. Awesome oscillator green bullish. It's kind of mixed mode for USA dollar on weekly time frame, but on daily it is positive, it is bullish. Let's move to Qs. Qs daily, nice bull run. Let me maximize it a little bit just to make sure you will have a large picture on your side. It left a lot of gaps. Qs below, look at it, a lot of gaps. And it left, last Friday it left gap. You see, week is over, month is over, and quarter is over. It was very end of the month, end of the quarter window dressing Friday. That's why it was so powerful bullish. Monday can be also positive because of the window dressing. Usually window dressing is the first day of the month and last day of the month. In this case, it's a first day of the month, first day of the quarter, first day of the week. It's a lot of events on the same day. Okay, bullish gap up, positive bar, right? I believe it wants to have that double top pattern. All indicators still bearish. RSI did bullish crossover. MACD bearish or awesome oscillator bearish. It's kind of in a mixed mode. We'll see. Will it continue to go bullish, or it will do double top and will do reversal? We'll see. But so far it is bullish because last bar above all moving averages. Like I said, for me it's a bullish trend. Weekly time frame. Last bar still above all moving averages, bullish trend. It is disconnected from 10 and 20. Actually, yeah, let me edit MA50 to indexes also. Disconnected from MA5. Yeah, it's not connected to MA5, disconnected from MA10 and 20. That's what we observe on the weekly time frame. But trend is still bullish. You see RSI in very overbought state, around 75 points. It's very overbought state on weekly time frame. Usually from this overbought state, what it did before, it did sell off. Look at it here. Even yeah, this state was not so overbought like now, and it did sell off. Well, let's go back. Let's go back over here. You see, this is overbought state, around 73 points. This was the top of the market. What happened after that? It was bearish trend, right? It did double top here and it did bearish trend. Similar can happen now. It's way overbought from that level. Now it's 75 and more. It's like it's building double top. It can do bearish reversal from this point. That's what you should be aware about it. But trend is still bullish. Very disconnected, very overbought, and especially remember, market in a very extreme grid position. We will see it now on the volatility index. This is volatility index VXN for Nasdaq 100, and it is bearish, right? It is bearish. It means no fear on the market. On daily time frame, it's more positive. On daily time frame, it is bullish. It means bearish for Qs. S&P 500. Let's start daily time frame. Same story like Qs, even more powerful because it's already did double top pattern, gap up, a bullish reversal signal on all indicators. We'll see, will it continue to go bullish or it will be rejected. You see, like here it was rejected, here it did touched and was rejected. We'll see. RSI was in very overbought state here. Now it did bearish divergence, right? Because this price action is uptrend, RSI is downtrend, bearish divergence, MACD bearish divergence, RS awesome oscillator and bearish divergence. It wants to do reversal, bearish reversal. But trend still bullish. Weekly time frame, bullish trend on all indicators on weekly time frame. Very bullish. For S&P 500, let's check VIX. Let's see VIX, what's going on with VIX, right? VIX very oversold, very bearish on all indicators, completely disconnected from reality because no fear on the market. Extreme greed only. Daily time frame. Daily time frame, it did bullish reversal. It means it's a bearish for S&P because it's already in the bullish reversal signal for volatility index for VIX. Dow Jones. Let's move to Dow Jones. Weekly time frame, last bar above all moving averages. But generally, if you check, you see this level, it's a flat since December 2022. Kind of flat price action, didn't move anywhere. Green bar, bullish trend on all indicators. At the same time, it's a flat, it's dancing around 20, flat. But still, last bar above all moving averages, it is positive bullish. And you see, MA200 uptrend. uptrend, it's always bullish. Daily time frame, last bar did gap up, bullish trend, last bar above all moving averages. Looks like it wants to also do double top. We'll see. Bullish crossover on all indicators and last bar above all moving averages on daily time frame. Let's check DXY, DXD. I'm sorry, VXD. VXD, it's volatility index for Dow Jones. On daily time frame, it is bearish. Still bearish on daily time frame because no fear on the market. And weekly time frame, it is bearish also on weekly time frame. No fear on the market. Even last Friday, it was minus 18%. Bearish trend. So far, it's still bearish. IWM, Russell 2000 daily time frame. Bullish trend. It did double top, right? Also, it's building double top. Some indicators did bullish reversal already. MA5 did bullish crossover. MA20 even did bullish crossover. It is positive bullish reversal. Yeah, MA5 ready to do bullish crossover over 20. It is positive. Positive bullish reversal. Last bar disconnected from 20. Bullish trend. Let's see weekly. Weekly, nice green bar. Bullish trend on all indicators. On weekly time frame also. Maybe it will move up and to touch the MA100 and will be rejected from 100 because 100 is strong support. We'll see. So far it is positive. It is bullish trend, bullish run on weekly time frame for IWM, right? And yeah, daily already, yeah, I told you it's a still positive bullish crossover. Let's move to Apple. Apple, the most expensive company in the world, $3 trillion, the most powerful, the most bullish stock in the world. Still bullish. You see, did gap up last Friday. Last bar above all moving averages. Bullish trend on all indicators. RSI in very, very overbought condition. And it's extreme greed condition. Buyers do not have fear at all. You see, this price action never moved below 20. Each time it touched 20, it bounced. Each time it never closed below 20. I mean, for the last since March, for last 3 months, it didn't close below 20. In the last March, it did touch 200 and bounced from 200. Very simple, very bullish until it gets bearish reversal. So far, it's still bullish on daily and weekly time frame. Tesla daily, MA5 below 10. It is bearish, but price action last bar above all moving averages. It is positive bullish. MACD bearish, RSI bullish, oscillator bearish. All indicators kind of bearish, but price action last bar is positive bullish. Let's check weekly time frame for Tesla. Weekly time frame for Tesla, it's dancing around 100. You see, it did break out 100, and now 100 is a strong support. Still bullish on all indicators, and it disconnected, last bar disconnected from 20. You see, in this case, it was 50. It did touch 50, and it was rejected from 50. We'll see. In this case, will MA100 be strong resistant? Because before, you see, 100 was like strong support. MA50 was resistant. Now MA100 resistant. It's resistant and support. Because bars above 100, now it's a support. One day below 100, it is resistant. But it can be rejected anyway because it's still close. It's still attached to 100. Okay, let's move to BABA, Alibaba Group, weekly time frame. Very weak Alibaba because last bar below all moving averages. All indicators bearish on weekly time frame. Alibaba very weak, very bearish. Daily time frame also Alibaba bearish. Last bar below all moving averages. Bearish trend on all indicators for Alibaba. Nvidia daily time frame. Bearish trend on all indicators. And bearish trend on all indicators. Last bar closed above MA5 1020. It is kind of, yeah, it is positive, it is bullish, but we'll see. Will it reject this last bar from MA10? Because MA10 now is resistant. It can be rejected from MA10 because before MA20 was support. Previous bar it was MA20 support. Now last bar, last Friday, it is at the resistant level. It can be rejected because all indicators still in the bearish signal. Let's check weekly for Nvidia. Weekly for Nvidia, last bar still disconnected from 10 and 20. Bullish trend on all indicators. Very far away from 200. MACD overbought. RSI in very overbought state. 86 points. 86 points. It's very overbought state. I believe it never was in that kind of level, was it? Let's see here, 83, 84. And from this level, when it was 83, 84, it was top of the market. What happened from that level? Do you remember? It was 346, and it was in a bearish trend, and it did sell off to 100. It was minus 200 points. More, minus 240 points. From 346, it did move to 100. From the top of the market, it moved to the below 200. That's what we should expect again. It has huge gap. It's very overbought. It's very in overbought condition on RSI. It definitely will have correction. At least it will test this support level. And this support level, it's around 280, 290, 300. This support level on weekly time frame. It definitely will do sell off and retest this level. Close this gap because over here it's 20% gap, $60 gap. I think it's the biggest gap in the history, maybe, I don't know. But definitely in the history of the Nvidia, the biggest gap. I believe it's like gap 250 billion, something like that. It's unbelievable. Okay, but still bullish on weekly time frame, and but daily, like I said, it's in a bearish reversal signal. It's in a bearish reversal signal on daily. That's all. Let's do summary. Like I mentioned, dollar is still fighting with between bull and bear. It's not confirmed yet. On weekly, it's kind of on the daily, it's kind of fighting for the bull run. It's a bullish crossover. I believe it will go bullish. All indexes still powerful, still bullish on weekly time frame. No changes on weekly time frame. They still bullish. On daily time frame, they're kind of in a bearish reversal signal with the no confirmation because they never moved below 20. And still kind of positive, but didn't move below 20. Still kind of bullish. Still bullish on daily and weekly time frame for all indexes. Looks like it's building the top of the market because, like I said, it's building like double top for all indexes. Look at it. Qs building double top. SPY building double top. Dow Jones, same. It's building double top. Kind of similar pattern, and it wants to go IWM double top. And maybe from this double top, they will do a reversal because it's very overbought on RSI and all other indicators, and it is in extreme greed condition. Usually from the extreme greed condition in the past of the history, market always did bearish reversal to bearish market. That's what happened in the past of the history. And These indicators all based on the past history, on the historical data. That's what gives us a probability of the market direction. I believe market is on the top of the market. It's building TOPPY. It's a TOPPY, and it will be some correction. I don't know exactly the day when correction will happen, but it will be, because indicators never lied before. They do not lie. Okay, now let's move to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only, and remember, for educational purpose we are using paper trading account. Please read it. Thank you for watching simple trading style video. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and cryptos. Tomorrow I will publish monthly updates. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.